Okay, we're going to show you the connection between that fresh air adder, which is on the left. Take a look. And of course the furnace exhaust on the right with the water heater behind it. Now let's go inside and I'll show you the furnace, and you can hear the air actually coming through that opening. Okay, here we are to the furnace. You hear her running. Okay, pay attention. See the fire's running. You see that fire. Okay, now we'll come up here to the blower area. And if you look up above the blower, is that connection right there where the fresh air adder comes in. You see it's open. You look in there. Also let you see the blower right there, drafting air right in. Put it right up inside so you can hear this. Been able to hear the air rushing by the microphone. So there you go. I've added a little bit of toilet paper on the tape to give you a sense of the airflow through that fresh air adder as it comes into the plenum of the furnace. Just bear with me here. Lift you up and you see that tissue paper indicating the flow coming out of that tube as the fan is running. You can see that's a pretty strong breeze to make that flap like that. Okay, do you get a sense of the airflow coming out of there? I hope you do. It's that particular flow when that air is coming straight from the furnace exhaust up above. Okay, as of 12 March, I've installed a cap to keep any air from coming from that rooftop fresh air adder and having it possibility to contaminate the air inside the house. There we go. I've installed that with caulking sealer, sealed any other areas that were suspect. Well, there you go. Got her done for the moment. So the family will be at least unharmed from that fresh air adder in the wrong place up above. See? Okay.